Thank you so much. I'm your producer, Great. Why would Tinubu hate Petroleum Ministry? Tinubu's position as Minister for Petroleum speaks of a man who had deliberately exalted personal interest above national interest. If Tinubu is a true Nigerian who seeks the common good of all, Tinubu will not hold the office of the Petroleum Minister. This is a man facing serious health challenge. He cannot deny it. The office of a president is too demanding, considering the age and the health status of Tinubu. Yet, the most important ministry, the mainstay of Nigeria's economy, Tinubu decided to stay at that ministry to himself as the Petroleum Minister. This is so unfortunate. Let Nigerians speak up. Tinubu should not be the Petroleum Minister. It is not in the best interest of Nigeria. That ministry is so important. That is not something you give to a man that may not be so articulate, so organized to face the demand of the office, the challenges facing the downstream